New Year start. A direct look at Huatai's frontline. Witness Huatai Group's powerful manufacturing. The Spring Festival spirit lingers, yet Huatai's 12 intelligent workshops are already fully operational. Machines run day and night. The production site is busy. Enter Insign's intelligent workshop. We see large chain conveyors for delivery, 500-ton and 200-ton units. Rows of finished soybean peeling equipment, stand ready. Exquisite tech missions, need welds solid structure. Every detail shows Huatai's dedication. Sizes Huatai's palm kernel all press and painted, 20-ton walnut press. With excellent performance, they fit global market needs and will soon be delivered. Workers here, building a 250-ton conditioning tower. Size is just a part of Huatai's complete production lines. As a leader in grain and oil machinery, Huatai owns core technologies from pre-treatment, pre-pressing, extraction to refining. Many products hold national patents. In 2026, Huatai will focus on full capacity and top quality. We provide efficient, energy-saving, advanced equipment software, edible oil safety. Choose Huatai Group for high-end grain and oil equipment.